I'm Rob Sutton, and I enjoy reviewing tech that we encounter in our everyday lives. I also have a serious obsession with modifying everything. So follow along as we take a look at tech in a different way. Alright, so those that know me well know I love to light up everything. It's the ricer in me, I guess, but the Jeep's lit up underneath, the truck's lit up underneath, and we have Philips Hue lights throughout the house that can change colors and do all kinds of stuff. You can see the review for that actually up there. So when I went to do this office redesign, I really wanted to get some accent lighting on this palette wall that I did on the back end of my office, and I used the Philips Hue play bars. So the Philips Hue play bars really are there for novelty effect. They're basically an accent light that's an LED that can change through the entire RGB spectrum as well as pure white. These 530 lumen LED bars can provide accent lighting just wherever you want to in the house. So what I bought was the starter pack that comes with 2 light bars and the power brick that can actually power up to 3 of these bars. Inside the box you get 2 different mounting options. One is horizontal, one is vertical. You also get clips that you could do double-sided tape and actually put it to the back of a monitor or TV. One thing to keep in mind, this does require the Hue bridge, which we use to control all the rest of the Hue lights in the house, but you do have to have that for these to function correctly. You set them up on the app itself and you can control them just like you do any other Philips Hue light in the house. So you can set your scenes, change the colors, set timers, everything like you would with any other Hue light. So what's actually kind of really cool about these, and it's another novelty effect, is that you can actually sync these with your monitor or your TV. If you're going to do your TV, you need to buy that other HDMI box. But for your computer, you can just download the Hue Sync app and actually sync these lights with whatever's playing on your screen directly on your computer. Honestly, with faster moving stuff, it can get to be kind of distracting a little bit, but it is a cool effect to do if you're into that kind of thing. Mine usually stay on this soft white that you see behind me. It provides the most amount of light and it's the easiest on the eyes. It also happens to match the wood the best. When you go into the darker colors like a blue, it doesn't put out as much light output and it also doesn't match the colors that I have here in my office. You will also notice I have these mounted vertically. It seems to cast the most amount of light on the wall itself. You can do the horizontal or behind the screen as well. You can even just let them freestand on the desk if needed. I have found that the vertical solution puts out the widest spread of light, even though you do see the light bars on the desk. Luckily, the black ones tend to just blend in, so it's not really that big of an eyesore when you actually look at the desk itself. So guys, those are the Philips Hue play bars. You can find a link for them down in the description below. I actually didn't think I was going to like them this much, even though I do like lighting up just about everything. They've become a really cool accent piece for this wall and even helps kind of showcase the photo that I took on the canvas as well. So if you have any questions about these light bars, please hit me up in the comment section below. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and until then, on to the next one. See you guys.